Hey guys! Did you know that with Canva on your phone, you can create professional logos, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, flyers, invitation cards, and much more? Many content creators use Canva to create designs for clients and earn money online. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install the Canva app on your mobile phone, how to create your account, how to understand the Canva interface, and how to use templates to create professional designs in minutes. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. If you're an iPhone user, open the Apple App Store. Now search for Canva. You can see the Canva app here. Tap on it and install it. Once Canva is installed, open the app. Tap on Continue with Google. Select your Gmail account and complete the sign-in process. After signing in, you'll see Canva's home screen. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend using Canva templates instead of starting with a blank design. Templates help you create professional-looking designs quickly and easily. Open the Templates section. Here, you'll find different categories such as Instagram stories, logos, presentations, flyers, Facebook posts, business cards, and many more. Let's create a logo. Tap on the Logo category. Here, you'll find many logo templates. Anything with this crown icon requires the paid version. The others are free to use. You can also search for a specific niche. For example, I'll search for digital marketing. Now you can see many logo templates. Let's try this one. Customizing a template is very easy. You can change the text color by simply double tapping on the text and selecting a new color. You can also replace the text with your business or brand name. If you want to replace an image, tap on the image, select Replace, choose an image from your gallery. You can also go to Elements, search for a graphic or image, and add it to your design. Simply delete the old image and adjust the size of the new one. You can also change the color of shapes and design elements. With just a few changes, you can create your own unique logo. Once you're happy with it, tap Download to save it. Now come back to the template section. Canva is perfect for creating social media content. Let's choose an Instagram story. Here, you can find many great templates. Let's choose this one. Now, let's see how it looks. We can customize everything here. You can change the text color, just like I showed you earlier. You can replace the image by tapping Replace, or you can add an image from Canva Elements. You can even change the text inside this circle by simply double tapping on it and typing your own text. Now you can see that the text has been changed. If you want, you can also change all of these colors. Let's preview it again. Congratulations! You just created your own Instagram story. Now let's create a YouTube thumbnail. Go back to Templates. If you don't see the category you're looking for, simply use the search bar. Let's search for Thumbnail for YouTube. Here you'll find many thumbnail designs. Let's choose this one. You can replace the image by tapping Replace. Or you can add an image from Canva Elements. For example, I'll search for Businessman. You can see many images here. Let's choose one. Now delete the old image and adjust the new one. You can customize the text. If you don't like the changes, you can undo them from here and try again. Colors, graphics, and layout however you like. This is one of the easiest ways to create professional YouTube thumbnails. To view your previous designs, tap on Your Designs. Here you'll find all your saved and recent designs. You can reopen any project and continue editing whenever you want. The more you use Canva, the more features you'll discover. Now it's your turn. Open Canva and start creating. Subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.